Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Only city change requests during the official correction or city change window are accepted. Once you find the active window on the NTA/UGC Net portal, log in with your application number and DOB immediately. Make sure your ID and admit card match records, and upload any required proof for the new center city. You should also have your debit/credit card or net banking ready to pay any requisite fee. You now perform the actual change through the portal forms. Once logged in, navigate to Application Correction or the specific city change section and pick your new city or center from the drop-down list. Availability is live, so choose swiftly. Next, upload clear scans of requested supporting documents and double-check every field. Mismatches cause rejection. When satisfied, submit the change and complete the payment. You'll receive an acknowledgement number. Save or screenshot it for reference. You finish by verifying success. Wait for the confirmation message and download the revised admit card when it's issued. Make sure the new center details match your request. Once done, store the payment receipt and acknowledgement screenshot. These are your proof if anything goes wrong. If the change does not reflect or is rejected, immediately contact the NTA/UGC Net helpline with your acknowledgement number and supporting documents. This is the single practical recourse to resolve disputes within the window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.